Morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Back to my channel. So I'm uploading yesterday and Wednesdays. Obviously, like Wednesday and yesterday I was uploading those two in one vlog. They're just uploading now, which is good. And so can't wait for it to be done and everything. So it's uploading at the moment, so yeah, it's just literally this is uploaded. Make sure you go and check it out, everything. So and I know that open into my bed, into my bed, I need to get dressed. It's not like I'm going out for work because I've got to lay anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready and so that I'll be ready for the day and so to ready to vlog and wash my hair, brush my teeth. But I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm making some toast at the moment. I have to be quiet because everyone's asleep. So that's why I have to be quiet and everything. So yeah. So I'm just making some toast and I'm gonna do that and then go upstairs, you know. But you know, obviously it'll be good, you know. So yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, my video's just uploading at the moment and so yeah. It's just my screen. I accidentally dropped it yesterday and it's a bit really wobbly, so I have to be careful now. But it still works and I'm still recording. You know what I mean? So yeah, let me turn that on actually. So I'm still filming and everything, so I have to hold it the way it should be held at the moment though. Until I get some super glue on it. I do now actually. But anyway, so yeah. So yeah, it's kind of good though to get it loaded and hopefully I'll get subscribers and that. So, but in the first clip I forgot to say, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's go on with the video. I mean to say. So yeah, I'm just literally haven't uploaded, isn't it? I'm 49%. But it's just literally going quite fast at the moment. But obviously, I think it's time myself. But let's see, guys. So guys, the electric went, so I had to put it back on, and obviously, so I had to put them back onto my laptop and I have to re-edit, which is annoying, you know what I mean? And see, like, so hopefully once the internet's back on, then I can like re-edit, re-upload, I mean, and so yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit once the internet's back on. So guys, everyone's right now, but this upload is going quicker now, and you know what I mean. But when if I get my money today, I'm gonna get the sides done. You know, so I'm gonna get that done. I've seen that, because even it's gonna cost me 15 quid. So you know, and so yeah. But you know, so yeah, obviously so, and also my cousin says she'll send me the Samsung this end of this week, or so you know, for £100, obviously, you know, so I'm gonna try and draw £100 out, obviously, so that so I could give it to them cash, and obviously, you know, so I'm gonna do that, and when I get my money on that, so yeah. So I'm gonna try and do that, and then you know, and say cool. And then I'll try and get the finals. She said she's gonna try and get it upgraded or something, but I don't know. S10, but this one I'm gonna put my Vodafone SIM in the one into this one. I'll go see that I could still use it and pay £20 on that day, you know. Cool. I'll see you guys in there actually. So guys, I'm gonna get my haircut done now, just the sides and that. So it actually needs to be done though, because I just want the top bit to grow and the sides and the back to keep it under control, but obviously, so I want to keep the sides done. You alright? Yeah. See you guys later. So guys, I'm home now, and obviously I got James done that. Oh yeah, yesterday one of the guys had me to get to 23 subscribers, because one of the guys was the 23rd subscriber. But guess what? I got 24. Keep it coming, guys. I know we can make it. Like, keep building the subscribers up for me. If you can do that, we could pretty much get through this coronavirus as well, and we'll be able to. We'll be like a family, you know what I mean? Like YouTube family, you know what I mean? So if you can keep it coming, I'll be happy, and that obviously, you know, and we'll be able to obviously, and let's try and make it to 2,000 subs. If we can do that, we can pretty much do anything we want though, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you can do that for me, I'll be happy, you know what I mean? And so yeah, so I got 24 today. I had a 24th subscriber today, which yesterday I only had, one of the guys made it to 23rd subscribers. You know what I mean? And that's great, you know what I mean? Like, I know that I'm trying, you know what I mean, to make it though. But so yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, so yeah, I'm just literally going to the shop because I need to get some super glue, because my screen, it's really wobbly, so I need to get some. But Sainsbury's, you have to get like 2 in a pack. Yeah, Claire? Yeah. So I'm just literally going to Sainsbury's because £2 in the Sainsbury's, so I'm gonna quickly get that. Oh yeah, my wallet. I need to get my wallet. I forgot that. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So guys, I'm going upstairs. Well, obviously, you know, so yeah, hope you're having a good day so far. If you just give a thumbs up. But let's keep the subscribers keep going up, because we'll get there. Like literally, we never know if we're gonna get there or not if we don't try. But we'll try, like, because I am part of the YouTube community now. Like, so I want to make more. See, raise more audience, more subscribers and everything, and so hopefully it would work. So hopefully I'll get more subscribers and start putting ads in the videos, and YouTube will probably pay me for doing that, and that, so which will be good, you know what I mean? And that, so yeah, and then obviously so yeah, cool. I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, my mum and my two brothers has gone to my auntie's in Oxford Road. It's not actually Oxford Road, it's actually called Oxford Road, Red. So yeah, but anyway, so yeah, cool. Just have a rest until tomorrow, because I got work tomorrow anyway. So I'll be filming in the afternoon after work, about 4. So yeah. So yeah. tomorrow, and then have Sunday and Monday off, I think. So yeah. After I messaged the manager in a minute actually saying if I got Monday off. See, so I'll see you guys in that jar. So guys, I just messaged him to see if I'm working Monday. See if she says that I don't have to, then obviously I'm not gonna have Sunday Monday off and that, you know, cool. Yeah. But cool. Yeah. But you know, so yeah, cool. You know what I mean? But anyway, so obviously I'm 8 to go back to work tomorrow after a few days of, you know, when you like have a few days of work and then obviously the next day after the third day, you seems to can't wait to go back to work to see everyone again. You know what I mean? And that's what I feel like. I feel like I can't wait to get back to work and just see you guys in that. So guys, I'm still waiting for the manager to message me back. Yeah. We gotta go. We got 20,000 people counting. So yeah. But you know, it'd be cool once I've got so much subscribers in it, you know what I mean? So yeah. But you know. So yeah. But you know, it's cool. So you guys edging that. So yeah, I'm gonna go and so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys Sunday.